Can you really stake XRP on Coinbase and earn rewards? Let's break it down step by step without the fluff. Welcome back to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, I'll show you how to stake XRP on Coinbase or what to do if staking isn't available. Open the Coinbase app or go to coinbase.com and log in. Make sure you own XRP in your account. If not, you can buy it directly or transfer it from another wallet. Now go to Earn or Rewards tab inside Coinbase. This is where staking options usually appear. Search for the XRP in the staking list. As of now, Coinbase does not support XRP staking directly. So what can you do? You can hold XRP in Coinbase for price growth or move it to a platform like Uphold or non-custodial DeFi staking pools if available. Always research before staking on third-party platforms. Look for fees, lockout periods, and network risks. Coinbase updates its staking list often, so keep checking the app or their help center in case XRP staking becomes available. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.